Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to take 100 listings in 2024. What an exciting proposition. Here's the best part about this. I wrote down 12 points that I'm going to give you on this video today. And this stuff, it's pretty simple. If you do what I say and you really want to make this happen, you can. I say it's simple because this is not brain surgery. You know what I mean? If I can do it, trust me, you can do it too. And in order for you to take 100 listings a year, obviously you're going to need some great scripts. And if you click on the link in the description of this video, you can download my new script book. So don't do it right now. When you're done watching the video, make sure you get that script book. So point number one is the plan you're gonna follow to make this happen. And the plan is to work 240 days a year. There's 365, so you have plenty of time off. And on those 240 days you're working, you're gonna do what I say, and you're gonna set one listing appointment per day. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, oh my gosh, how am I gonna do that? Listen, in the beginning, in the first week, that may not happen. Even the first month, it may not happen. I mean, if you do what I say, you're going to set some appointments, maybe even the first week or the first month. But the idea here is that you're going to stay consistent. You're going to do this every single day. Actually, Monday through Saturday. I'm going to give you the schedule. That's point number 7. This is point number 1. So hang in there. Now, I say every day consistently because this is not like, oh, I do it on Monday and then on Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm going to go do something else and then I'll do it again on Thursday. And no. Every single day. And it's not like start, stop, start, stop. You need to create some rhythm, develop a habit, and build momentum. Once you create a rhythm and you build momentum, you're going to see things are going to start to happen. And you're going to be able to make up for the days in the beginning when you didn't set any appointments. Some days you're going to set 2 or 3. So 240 days work, set 1 appointment a day, and out of the 240 you're going to set in a year, you're going to go on 200 of those. 20%, whatever. They cancel, you cancel, they don't show up. So you go on 200 and you take 100 listings, which is a 50% closing ratio. You can totally do that if you follow what I am telling you to do and you use my scripts. Point number 2, set 100 listings taken in 2024 as a goal for you. And keep this goal in front of you at all times, everywhere. And I wrote this down. I did this when I started selling real estate. I love sticky notes. I have sticky notes right in front of me right now. So take some sticky notes and write down, I take 100 listings in 2024. Put it in your car, on your bathroom mirror, in the refrigerator, on the kitchen cabinets, on your night table, everywhere, just all over the place. So you're seeing it all the time, and it's going to help you stay laser focused on that goal. And it's critically important that you actually set this as a goal, become obsessed with it, and buy into it. Because without a goal, this is just a good video. You'll learn a bunch of stuff, but you won't be able to make that happen. Because without a goal, you're like a ship without a rudder. You're going nowhere. Point number 3, there are 2 ways for you to set more listing appointments. Because to take listings, you first have to set appointments. There are 2 ways to make that happen. You have to increase the quantity of the people that you talk to. And secondly, you have to improve the quality of the conversations you're having with these people. That's it. There's nothing else. This is how this happens. It's a numbers game and it's a skills game. Think about this. I wrote this down. It's a numbers game because the more people that you talk to, the better chance you have of finding someone who wants to sell. That's obvious. And it's a skills game because the better you communicate with these people, the fewer conversations it will take for you to set appointments. This is one of the reasons why I said in the beginning, you may not set that many appointments because your skills you are not that great yet. You're learning, you're improving every day. Point number 4. I love this one. Stop thinking and start doing. You have to take massive action consistently. It's not enough to learn. It won't make you money learning. And real estate agents, especially in the beginning of their real estate career, they're going to so many classes and they're doing all kinds of learning paperwork. That doesn't make you money. Action makes you money. Do a lot and learn as you go. Number 5, stop making excuses and blaming the market, the economy, the antitrust lawsuit, your broker, your family. See if this applies to you. Are you one of those people that you always find an excuse, a reason why it's not working and it's not going to work? You're blaming all kinds of situations and people. You have to be an adult. Put your big girl pants on, big boy's pants on, and take control of your career. Blaming and making excuses keeps you as a victim. Successful people, they're in control. They're in charge and they're responsible for all of their results. Number 6, stay focused every day. This is not easy. There are a million different distractions and shiny objects out there. You need to eliminate them in order for you to stay focused. So clean up your office. Remove all of the distractions in your environment, in your computer, browsers, notifications, everything. So you'll make it easier for yourself to stay focused. Point number 7. Be energetic and confident. I told you your schedule and stuff was number 7. It's actually number 8. Number 7 is be energetic and confident, because nobody wants to work with a slow motion, insecure real estate agent. That's not going to get you business. People make decisions when they're excited about the future and when you're excited about what you do. They get excited about working with you. And here's the added benefit. When you're excited, it makes up for a lack of skill, which in the beginning, you're going to lack some skills. Point number 8. This is actually your daily schedule, who you're going to talk to, exactly what you're going to do. Your number 1 priority every day is to talk to people who want to sell. Who are these people? Expired listings and for sale by owners. I'll give you the priority of calls in just a minute. You're not going to just talk to FSBOs and expired. That's your priority, but you're also going to talk to other people. Now, you're going to get on the phone Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. local time, and you're going to be on the phone till 12 p.m. Saturdays, 9 a.m. local time till 12 p.m. And who you're going to call, priority of call. First calls every day, 8 a.m. on weekdays, 9 a.m. on Saturdays. You're going to call new expired listings, the ones that expired today. Then you're going to call new for sale by owners, the new ones from today. Then you're going to go to the older expireds, yesterday, the day before, in chronological order backwards. And then you're going to go to old FSBOs the same way, chronological order backwards. When you're done with those, you're going to call your past clients and sphere of influence. You're going to take the total number you have divided by 55, and that's how many you're going to speak with per day. Then you're going to call neighborhoods. You're going to pick a neighborhood and you're going to start calling people around that area. And this is your schedule every day. From 12 p.m. to 1, you're going to have lunch. At 1 p.m., if you don't have any appointments to go on, listing appointments to go on in the afternoon, you're going to go door knocking. And you're going to door knock from 1 till 5 p.m. Get out there. See people face to face. Who are you going to door knock? People with phone numbers on the do not call list. People that didn't answer the phone in the morning. When I say people, I'm talking about expireds and FSBOs, always prioritizing the new ones. Create a route that makes sense so you're not going from here to there to that. You're going in a route that makes sense. So do not call list, FSBOs and expires that didn't answer the phone, and leads that you have, meaning people that you spoke with that you weren't able to set an appointment. Go see them face to face. And for every FSBO expired and lead you knock on, go to 10 doors on each side of that property and talk to the neighbors. That's like around the neighborhood. When you make calls around the neighborhood, you're going to select that neighborhood. But here, since you go to this FSBO door, talk to 10 neighbors on each side. Point number 9, refer all of the buyers that may show up in your real estate career. Refer them to another agent. Collect a referral fee. If you get distracted with buyers, you will not be able to do what I'm saying, period. Point number 10, follow up on your leads obsessively. Now, I am anti-leads. I want you to be setting appointments. I don't want you to have the mindset of getting leads, but you're going to end up with some leads inevitably. And so for the leads you have, obsessive. And what I mean by that, you could figure this out. I have other videos on it, okay? Following up obsessively means your leads are never gonna fall through the cracks. You're never gonna be in the really sad situation of calling one of your leads that you think are amazing and they're gonna list with you and find out that they just listed with somebody else because you didn't call them soon enough. Number 11, critical point. Protect your mind and bombard your brain. I trust you're taking notes. You can watch this again and write things down. Protect your mind means that you're going to get out of social media. You're going to eliminate negative people from your life. And you're not going to watch the news. Oh, how am I going to do that? Figure it out. Because you know that when you're being bombarded by negative stuff, even when you do what I say, you eliminate all of this. There's still negativity by default that you're going to have to deal with. So you need to take charge of your life and your career. And unless you actually do what I'm saying, you're just making it so much harder for yourself. We all have limiting beliefs. And when you're on social media, you have negative people around you. They're throwing, in addition to the limiting beliefs that you already have, now they're throwing all of their limiting beliefs on top of yours. And bombard your brain means that you will read, watch, listen to powerful, positive, motivational, inspirational ideas 24/7. Figure it out. Make it happen. And here's the last point, number 12. If you find yourself at any point behind on your goals, obviously you got to track what you're doing to know if you're on track, ahead, or behind. If you find yourself behind on your goals, don't lower your goals. Adjust your actions. That's it. And you keep moving forward. And I want to close this with a quote that I want you to write down and read to yourself every day so you can make sure that you're actually doing this, okay? Successful people do what they're supposed to do on the days when they don't feel like it. You're going to have a lot of days when you don't feel like it. I did too. And sometimes I still do have days when I don't feel like it. And I do what I'm supposed to do, regardless of how I feel. And that's what successful people learn to do. And you need to learn that too. And again, if you follow the 12 steps that I gave you, you will take 100 listings in 2024, and I look forward to hearing about it. Now, remember to download my new script book. The link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.